everyone, it's Beth with Phastek. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the bumper of your 5th Gen Camaro. So on our 5th Gen Camaro SS, we want to remove the bumper because we'd like to install a tow hook. In order to do that, we have to remove the bumper and get access to the crash bar to screw in the receiver plate. But other reasons why you might want to remove your bumper on your 5th Gen is you might want to update your headlights, you might want to change out your grille, or you might want to put in a ZL1 bumper conversion. So today, these are the tools that we're going to be using to remove our bumper. We have our impact drill, T15 Torx, 10mm socket, 7mm socket, 10mm wrench, a ratchet with an extender, and our clip removal tool. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these tires in so it's easier to get to these T15 Torx. So now we're just going to pull this fender liner back and we're going to get to these 3 bolts up here. So next we're going to remove our 7mm bolts, and it's literally right behind where my finger is. You're going to want to take your drill and have it going straight up. Alright guys, so this bolt is pretty much out of here. So you might have a little trouble, you just got to kind of shake it and it'll come out. So the only thing we have left to do for this side of the car is to disconnect our factory plug from the front of the bumper. All we're going to do is reach in, push down the tab on top, and pull. Alright, so now that we did the steps on the right side of the car, we're going to repeat those steps on this left side of the car, on the driver's side. So we're going to repeat each of the steps except for disconnecting the factory plug. There's no plugs to disconnect on the driver's side. Now that we've removed the interior bumper bolts, we're going to raise the car up so we can easily access these 10mm bolts underneath the bumper. All that's left to do is lower the car and remove the push pins and the bolts from the top. So now we're going to remove the push pins holding the bumper on in the front. So you're just going to carefully go through with your tool and pull them out. All right, now that we have our clips removed, we're going to work on removing our bolts. So as you remove these, you probably want to position your body up against the car just in case you feel your bumper start to slide. These are 10mm bolts, by the way. Okay. Now we're just going to put our hands up underneath here and pull. There you have it, guys. That's how you remove your bumper in case you want to do any kind of upgrades to your headlights, your front grille, add a tow hook on your 2010 Camaro SS, or if you wanted to put on a ZL1 bumper conversion. So keep watching us. We're going to get busy putting on our tow hook. We'll see you later. Make sure and subscribe.